Welcome to the Washtenaw County Seminar Series. Tonight the community sits down with Attorney Jonathan Paul to discuss the 14A-1 District Court in Pittsfield Township.
Good evening to the members of the community. We have an exciting program tonight. Joining us is Attorney Jonathan Paul, the author of the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. Mr. Paul, can you tell us more about your book and the inspiration behind writing it?
I wrote the book to help anyone who finds themselves on the wrong side of the law. Good people who find themselves in bad situations can take control by being proactive right away.
Okay, let's go to the audience for some questions. Please step up to the microphone and let us know your name, what you do for a living, and what your question is.
Hi Mr. Paul, my name's Henry. I am a local real estate agent. I am charged with drunk driving. Who will be my judge, and what can I do leading up to my court date?
I discuss this topic in Chapter 3 of my book. In Pittsfield Township, Judge Conlin handles all DUI cases, including the arraignments, and could put you on daily alcohol testing. My clients come to court already testing for alcohol. They have already been screened and assessed by a substance abuse counselor, are attending AA meetings, and volunteering.
So you're saying your clients do all of this before going to court? The testing, AA, volunteer work and the counseling?
Yes. I am very selective in the clients that I agree to represent. I am looking for motivated clients, who want to learn from their case, even if the case is dismissed or reduced.
Hi, my name's Mary. I am a mother of two. I am charged with retail fraud. What are my options for keeping this shoplifting crime off my record?
The case will likely be handled by Judge Conlin. Depending who the prosecutor is, and your criminal history, we may be able to work toward a dismissal of the shoplifting charges. We need to explore how a good person like yourself found your way in this bad situation. You would undergo an education and treatment plan with community service work right away.
My name's Robert. I'm a student and work part-time, and I was charged with an MIP, possession of marijuana and drug paraphernalia. What are my options?
You will also have Judge Conlin for your case, and either the Washtenaw County or Pittsfield Prosecutor. I discuss what I call tailgate offenses in Chapter 6 of my book. All of these charges are crimes. You will need to be proactive to convince the prosecutor to potentially dismiss these charges. You could also lose your driver's license.
Can you tell me the difference between an arraignment, a pre-trial, trial and sentencing, and who are the judges at the courthouse?
An arraignment is when you answer to the charges. Guilty or not guilty, but I can typically waive this for my clients, saving us a day in court. A pre-trial is a court date where I am able to speak to the prosecutor and the judge about the case, share your progress on my program, and may be able to resolve your case or set it for trial. A trial, the prosecutor presents their evidence, we challenge this evidence, and can present defenses of our own, and a judge or jury decides the outcome. Finally, sentencing is when you find out your probation, jail or other requirements due to being found guilty, or pleading guilty to a charge.
And who are the judges? What cases do they handle?
The 14A-1 court only has one judge, which is Judge Conlin. He handles every misdemeanor case out of Pittsfield Township, but a felony case could begin with a different judge.
How long do cases take to be completed in Pittsfield Township?
It depends on the charge. I also like to create a 30-day window on my proactive plan. If we are able to resolve the case with a deal, usually 2 to 4 weeks, a trial 2 to 3 months.
Thank you Mr. Paul for being here and telling us more about your book. I think the community learned a lot tonight. Any final remarks?
Thank you for having me tonight. Everything happens for a reason. It's how you react from day one, which will define you, and not the isolated moment in time. Take control of the story of your case. Don't let the police, prosecutor and judge define you so easily. We will earn back the trust of the community, and get you the result you deserve.
That concludes tonight's event. To order a copy of Mr. Paul's book visit Amazon.com, visit his website www.michiganlawgrad.com or call him at 248-924-9458.